If you want to clean up your Instagram profile without deleting any of the posts, then follow my steps because I'll show you how to do that in this video. We're going to hop over to our Instagram app and then navigate over to your Instagram profile page. In order to archive our Instagram posts, firstly open the settings by tapping on these 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Once we get here, we're looking for this Your Activity button, which is located under the Archive button. Scroll a bit down until you see the Posts button and tap on this, and this will open a list of all the posts which we have on our profile. And you can archive one or multiple posts by simply clicking on the Select button at the top right. Then choose the posts which you want to remove from your profile. I've selected these 6 posts, and the last step is to tap on Archive at the bottom left. And that's the whole process, everyone. These posts won't be visible to anyone on your Instagram profile anymore, but you will be able to recover them at any time because they won't be deleted. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.